Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be going over how to replace a fuse in your fuse box using the owner's manual. I recently blew a fuse while I was inflating a tire that was plugged into the power outlet on the car, on the 12-volt adapter. So I opened up the owner's manual, so let me check and see if it's a fuse, and this is what you do. So open up your owner's manual and you're going to be looking for the electrical section. This is a diagram of the fuse box right here, and what you're going to do is look through all these descriptions right here until you find what you're looking for. I found mine right up here, power outlet number 1, and also a rain sensor. So you're going to go over to the number and we're going to look for M6, and it also tells you a description. It's 20 amp and it's yellow. So now we come back to the diagram here, and all these numbers are really small. You're just going to be looking for an M6 on here, and I found it right down here. Next, locate your fuse box. It's only going to have one of these little lightning bolts or something indicating electrical power. This is a picture of the fuse right here. It's just got a couple clips. You open it up. So now compare your fuse diagram to the box that you're looking at, and you just want to line it up the same. So I've got mine lined up here as it appears here, and then you just look for that fuse. So my M6 is the second one, top of these big ones here. Here's those two big ones, and then 1, 2, and you can't see it, but it says 20 right there, and it's yellow. Now just get yourself a pair of needle nose pliers, grab that one right there, kind of wiggle it out, and if you can see, that gap on there is broken. There's a little burn spot right in there. And there's a better picture. Basically, if that bridge is broken, like it is here, it's not connected, then it's blown. So now here comes the kind of a decision point. What you want to do, refer to your manual again, look back in here for any spares, and you want it to be the same thing. So you're going to find a spare and you're going to stick it right down in there. The other way to do it is to find fuses that aren't in use on your car. So for example, I think this one right here is for heated seats, and I don't have heated seats, so I'm just going to pull that one out and stick it in here. I'm going to order a new one, stick it back in there just to be safe. But that's all you got to do. You just got to find a spare or something else that you're willing to give up. Normally, if I'm on the road, I'm not going to replace the cigarette lighter fuse because it's not necessary. But if you're got a fuse for your headlights or something like that, then you can pull the cigarette lighter fuse and stick it in your headlight one, or whatever you need. Once you're done, just close it up, test it, and that's it. You've replaced a fuse.